Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the Amazon product search inside the Keyword Masher tab. Now, when you would use this is if you're doing a product roundup on something like a ZimmWriter or Koala, or you're going to send it to a listicle inside of AIMasher. It's very easy to use. All you need is your product. Inside the dashboard, you're going to Keyword Masher and you're going to Amazon Product Search. Now I'm going to go in to my Amazon products, and we're working on a tree trimming site for a client. So I'm going to do pruning saws. I'm going to use the Amazon.com, this is the US, and I'm going to hit Get Products. What this is going to do is go out to Amazon and find all the related terms around pruning saws. And we're going to build you a table from this. And let's just look down here. We have a lot of products in here. We have 53 items total. You can sort them by the rating, by price, or by recent sales. I like using recent sales. I'm going to find the ones that have gotten the most orders. This is 3,000 orders in the last month. Here's the rating. So everything looks like it's above 4, and that's great. This even has a 5-star rating. I go over to page 2. Looks like all of them have pretty good ratings. I'm not going to do any that have not been bestsellers in the last month. I'm going to come up here to the filter. Put in here if it's 50. Choose the filter is greater than or equal to. Now I'm going to come back here to page 1. I'm going to select about 15 of these to send over to ZimmWriter. This one doesn't have a price, so there's a good likelihood that they're sold out, but I'm going to go ahead and choose it anyway. This is a chainsaw. Here's a mini chainsaw. There's a folding camping. Now I'm going to skip a lot of the duplicates that you see here. I also want to be choosing ones that have a little bit higher price than $8 or $12. That's a good one. And I'll choose Fiskars. That's a good one. So you can see I'm kind of choosing in different price ranges. These are cordless. And here's a really expensive one. And here's a Makita. This is a popular one. That's a good selection. Now, you have two options with all these checked. You can send it straight over to ZimmWriter by clicking here, and it will copy those to the clipboard, and you'll be able to paste them into ZimmWriter. Now, I've got my ZimmWriter running right now, so what I'm going to do is bring up a notepad to save it. And if you'll notice, at the very top is the keyword. This is what you're going to pass everything in here over. And it will have your ASIN code and a short description of the content. And ZimmWriter's product roundup will do a very good job of creating an Amazon page for you. Now, meanwhile, if you have the agency license with AIMasher, you can create a listicle with it. So I'm just going to do that and create an Amazon product search listicle. There's 19 that we're pushing over. The pruning saws, and I'm going to put it into GPT-4. This is the better one to use. In fact, that's the only one you really want to use inside of here. English, confident, and informative. This is a great way to do your Amazon reviews. Okay, so it pasted all the information in here. We're going to avoid common AI words. I'm going to go ahead and hit update and turn it on. And you're ready to go. Now it will start building, and you can sit here and click refresh button. So it's going to build you a title that will insert a listicle number. So as you put list out, every time it generates a list, and it's not going to do the full 19, it will pull 12, it may pull 10, it may pull 8. It's random number, and it will replace this listicle number with the number that it pulls to put on a page or at the bottom of a page. So you can use this listicle to supplement other article content. Real easy to do, and that's all you have to do. Now, These are saved, and you can use them as many times as you want. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to completely go through. I come back over here at Keyword Masher, and here's pruning saws. It is saved in here also for you. If you want to come back in here and just say, I want only 5-star reviews. So there's your 5-star reviews. If you say, I only want 4.5 and higher, so I'm going to go 4.5 is greater than, and I want to sort by lowest to highest price. So maybe you have affordable pruning shears. So that may be your next list that you send over to the product roundup. These are all probably under $20. If I could send all those over, I'll just come down here, copy to clipboard, and I'll put it in a notepad so you can see it. So this one's pruning saws, and this one's going to be called pruning saws. I'm going to say affordable pruning saws under $20. Now that will be the keyword that we send over, and then these will be the links that we're sending over for the Amazon product search. We make it very easy to use this, and every time you pull a product search, it goes against the credit. And if you want additional credits, to get additional credits, you go to the dashboard and you can click here for your rollover credits, and that's all there is to it. So before I let you go, I'm going to show you how to build that ZimmWriter. I'm going to bring up our notepad, and let's go back to the screen here. We're on Amazon product search. I'm going to go into AI Vault, activate product roundup, and pull that in. I'll go over to my notepad, and best pruning saws under 20. I'll paste that in there. Go over to my pruning saws here. I've got another list. Come back in here and paste that in there. Okay. Let's call this best pruning saws as the keyword, and we'll call this one affordable. Now that's ready to go, and typically I'm just going to do randomize the product order, first person, and in the roundup I'll just do professional. Enable literary devices, key takeaways. There's my GPT. That's the image I'm going to be using. Subheadings, and everything looks good. And I'm going to skip the facts, and let's start the roundup. Now, I'm going to put my Amazon in here. I'm using AAWP plugin. It's square bracket, Amazon box, and then there's your ASIN code, and I'm going to turn it on. And hit Save Settings. And now it's going to replace the link with my Amazon link in there and give it a short code that I could use inside of my sites. I hit Start Roundup. Come over here, I confirm I want to proceed, and it's going to ask me to confirm. And it started. So that's all there is to do Amazon product roundups by being able to select your individual products. I'll see you on another video.